If you could go anywhere in the world, where would it be? Just a thought. Okay guys, so if you're like me, there's a lot of times you have to film something or like just want to go out and do like anything, but you have literally no one to go with you. Then you have to film on your own. It's kind of frustrating sometimes, but I think it's part of the process. So that's what I'm here for today. Just gonna give you some tips on what you can do just to make it a bit easier for yourself, just to like get it done more efficiently. And so first one is a bit obvious, but you're gonna need a tripod. You can stack your camera on some books or something, but like the best way to do it is with a tripod. It's the easiest, it's the lightest, and you can put it where you want. So just get a tripod. It's gonna make your life much easier just to set the scene and get everything right where you want it, and then boom, you're golden. Okay, so the second thing you are gonna definitely need to look into is angles. So what you're gonna need, you can't just shoot everything from the same angle or whatever, because then it's gonna look like you basically filmed everything by yourself. But if you introduce a bit more variety of angles into your shot, like maybe start with a wide shot and then go in closer as you like progress, it's gonna be way more dynamic and it's gonna look like there was actually a second shooter. Like it's gonna take a long time because you basically have to repeat every scene for the amount of angles you want to change. In the beginning of the video, there's that scene where I like opened the bag to take out the camera, and I basically had to film that 3 times just to get each angle, just to stitch them together to make one nice sequence. So if you get that right, it's gonna be cool and golden, so you should really try that. Okay, so for the last one, it's not necessarily a must-have, but if you have a camera that has amazing autofocus, it's really gonna help. Because sometimes you wanna like maybe film something that's close up, but as you move farther away from the camera, it may pick up your face or something, and then it will automatically shift over. That can even help if you want that kind of look. If you maybe wanna just focus on a specific foreground or background or wherever you wanna set focus to, you can maybe set it to manual. So don't be afraid just to play around with autofocus and manual, because it can really help you get the look you are looking for. Like for me personally, I like switching from autofocus to manual a lot of the times, because most of the shots need to be more close up and focused on a certain subject while the rest is out of focus. For me, I don't really prefer any one of them. I just use everything. Like I try to use everything at my disposal to help me create nice looking content for you guys. Okay guys, so that's basically the end of the video. I hope you enjoy this short little tutorial or even tips on how you can shoot alone, and if it helped you, please comment down below, maybe leave a like, and it will help the channel out a lot. If you want to see more great content, please go subscribe. I usually post quite often, so if you're into that kind of thing, do your things. With all that said, hope you are well. Hope to see you in the next show. Yeah, it's a show now. Welcome to the Brandon Show.